Hi there, and welcome to Kelly and Company and the tutorial for Facebook success in 1 hour a week. So what we're going to cover today are the types of posts that I recommend that you do on Facebook, how to create them, and how to schedule them. So the first type of post I would recommend would be like highlight a product or service. You can also share one of your blog posts that you have written and posted to your website. You could highlight a staff person, like do some fun fact about them with their picture, like their favorite type of ice cream or the quirkiest aspect of their personality or something along those lines. You can share behind the scene type of information where you could do like a video of your office space or an installation of carpeting or any type of behind the scene type of thing, because people want to know who you are, how you do what you do, and not just only you selling to them. So another thing is information on a complementary business or service. So that would be, for me, like I would share blog posts from like Social Media Examiner or some other digital marketing people that I think put out great content. So I would share their content instead of just mine. And then of course, an inspirational quote. A branded inspirational quote is the most important. I'm going to go ahead and show you my screen because this is how to create some of those posts. First, we have canva.com, and then here are some apps that we can use. These are what I use when I do some of my like inspirational quotes or any kind of graphics that I need to do. So I use WordSwag, Typorama, or Ripple. Those are those three things are apps, and then canva.com, you can even get a free account with them. So how you create them, you can get free stock photos that are eligible to be used for any purpose. I use unsplash.com and pixabay.com, but you have to be extraordinarily careful when you use an image. Either take a photo yourself or use Unsplash or Pixabay or some other place where you know that there is no copyright on that particular photo, because you could be sued horribly for using a copywritten photograph. So it's important to know what you're able to use. So I am going to show you how to schedule them. I'm going to go up here to my screen. So if you go into Facebook, and so I want to schedule a post on Kelly & Co. So here we go. We go straight to Kelly & Co. And I saved a graphic for me to post so I could show you this. But of course, it's taking a few minutes to upload here. Come on. All right, so we're going to write a post, and I want to share a photo or video. So you click on upload, and I had saved one in Kelly & Co. posts. So I think the one I did today was number 21. So you put that there, and you can either not say anything, you can type what exactly the post said, or you could say something else like, I love this quote. And then you can schedule it. So you could either publish it right then, or you can go in and schedule, pick a day, let's say Saturday at 11 a.m. and then you click schedule. So then now it is scheduled to go out and post on my Facebook page at 11:11 on Saturday. So that is important. That is how you schedule one. And then you can also use something like this. I can email this to you. So this is a post planner, a marketing planner. What you can do is, if you know on Monday for Facebook, you want to do a quote, and then on Tuesday, you want to do, say, some kind of blog post from somebody that compliments your business. And then Wednesday, you just want to talk about a particular sales product or something like that that you have. And then Thursday, so you can go in and actually type exactly what you're talking about here. Like you would insert a picture if you want to do your picture, like a quote. So it just depends on kind of how you prefer to plan your week. But if you can do, I recommend, to be successful in 1 hour a week on Facebook, you can do it, just do 4 posts in that week. So you can pick a quote, you can pick a, anything like, so this is the one I just actually scheduled, but I just wanted to show you how I would put it on here. So on Monday, say I want to do this. On Tuesday, so sometimes also I will have over here in this column, I would add a column and do like, 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m. So then you can decide what time, 12 p.m., what time you want to put that in. So say you want to post this on Monday at 10 a.m., then you just put that in there at 10 a.m. See what I'm saying? And that way you know that. So then if during the week you come across articles or something like that that you find that you want to use, then you can just plug those in as the week goes by, and then you can schedule them all for the following week. So if I wanted to do a post, so I grabbed one up here from Social Media Examiner. So here's one, and it's called 4 Ways to Use LinkedIn Video for Your Business. You just click on that. So then the URL up here is the actual URL to that particular video. So you copy the URL and then go back to your planning sheet, and here you're going to say why it's important to use video on LinkedIn. And then to go down a space, you hit Alt Enter at the same time. Do your link there. So then when you go, it's time to go back in and schedule, you can just copy this whole thing here. Go to your Facebook. Go Facebook. And go back up. Whoops, what's the deal? All right, go back up, and then you just paste it. Sometimes when you save it in an Excel spreadsheet, it has these quote marks, but you don't need those. So you just do that, and then you can delete the link because the preview's there. So this goes to it. And then you can scroll down a little bit and schedule it. So we'll schedule this for, say, Friday at 3:18 p.m. So now that's scheduled to go out as well. So that's scheduled for Friday. So those are the different ways of how to schedule them and the kinds of different ways you can arrange your posts on how to use them. So this Blank Marketing Planner also has Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. You can do it by the week down here. See at the bottom, the different tabs. You can switch it up however you want. And then, so I appreciate you taking the time to watch this quick tutorial on how to have Facebook success in 1 hour a week. Of course, do not hesitate to email me at info@kellynco.com if you have any questions. And if you want to learn how to create those branded graphics in Canva like I did the one quote, I recommend you sign up for that tutorial from my webpage, and I'll take you through the steps on how to do that. It's awesome because when you create in Canva, see, you can, when you make it, you brand it, and right here is like my logo, and here's my website. So if anybody decides that this speaks to them and they want to share it, then my branding goes out everywhere that this is shared. So it's awesome. So don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions, and stay on kellyandco.com/learn to keep an eye out for upcoming additional webinars. And of course, my free 10-day Facebook Live challenge is coming up starting November 5th. I'm super excited about that, so that you can learn how to do Facebook Lives. So I will see you soon.